स्वागत है आपका आज फिर में।
आज फिर लौड़े लग गए।
US sends B-2 bombers to hit deep inside Iran. It tells me that USA ain't that serious about it. If they were, instead of sending B-2 bombers, they would have sent their A-1 bombers.
Israel releases chart showing the leaders of Iran that they killed. पर वो गर्ल स्कूल की अटेंडेंस शीट ऐड करना भूल गए।
UAE issues statement that they are not party to this war. This war is like the Kendrick-Drake beef, where UAE is basically J. Cole caught between the crossfire.
And Drake is like US and Israel because they like kids. Obviously.
7,000 Indians returns from UAE. ये न्यूज सुन के अक्षय कुमार के मुंह से लार तो टपक ही रही होगी।
Indians have been good actors. This was said by the US Treasury Secretary. शायद उन्होंने प्रेम रतन धन पायो नहीं देखी है।
रशियन ऑयल लेने के लिए हमें लेनी पड़ी परमिशन यूएस से। ऐसा लगता है कि एस जयशंकर को डिप्लोमेसी का डी भी नहीं आता, क्योंकि अभी तक हम डी बस लेते हुए दिखे।
AI videos of Netanyahu posted by Israeli government as proof of him being alive. अगर सच में चेक करना है कि नेतन्याहू जिंदा है या नहीं, तो फिर कुछ बच्चों को खुला छोड़ दो। अगर उन पे बॉम्ब गिरता है, you have your answer.
PM Modi speaks to Qatar's Amir after attack on world's largest LNG production facility. Modi ji said that very bad what Iran did.
WHO admits that they're preparing for a possible nuclear weapon use in Iran. Firstly, are we soft launching nukes now? And secondly, how the hell are they preparing? I guess by accepting their fate.
Apparently, US is trying to solve this by bombing Iran's nuclear infrastructure. Guys, I may not be a nuclear scientist, but I'll go out on a leg and say this. Isn't that how you trigger a nuclear bomb?
India issues advisory for its citizens in UAE कि भाई आते हुए सिलेंडर लेते आना।
Iran warns that parks and tourist places won't be safe for their enemies.
ईस्ट दिल्ली वाले जानते होंगे कि वहां के पार्क्स में रात को जाना स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज को पार करने से कम नहीं है।
Oil tanker paid 18 crore rupees to Iran to cross Strait of Hormuz. NHAI has some serious competition.
Netanyahu suggests alternate routes to transport oil. For this, he is planning to reincarnate Manji the Mountain Man.
Wife stabs husband over TV volume dispute. First victim from noise pollution.
Former ISRO employee murders wife, says that who will take care of her after me. इस लॉजिक से तो बच्चे को पाल पोस के बड़ा करने की जगह सीधा अबॉर्शन ही करा देना चाहिए।
राजस्थान स्टूडेंट किडनैप्ड आउटसाइड एग्जाम सेंटर। भाई की ऑफ कैंपस प्लेसमेंट हो गई।
6 giant pythons rescued from a village in Karnataka. As you can see, we are clearly into saving snakes.
People were seen taking cover at Mexico airport over drug lords killing. Unlike in Delhi, where you have to take cover from the airport.
Neil Nitin Mukesh quits as the brand ambassador of a singing show over non-payment issues. I guess he did not kneel in front of them.
Ex-BJP MP takes away blanket from a Muslim woman after giving it. Says it is not for Modi's critiques. Quite ironic that BJP के MP चादर चढ़ा रहे। Drunk wife beats husband to death in UP when she says she can handle alcohol.
Women in male-dominated fields.
YouTube takes down Basha's Tatiri song that allegedly sexualized schoolgirls. इससे सबसे ज्यादा हरियाणवी लोग ऑफेंड हुए हैं, क्योंकि म्यूजिक वीडियो में लड़कियों को स्कूल जाते हुए दिखाया गया है।
East Delhi man accidentally shoots himself while recording a reel. यार शूटिंग के लिए कैमरा काफी नहीं था।
चलो उसकी वीडियो वायरल तो गई। Imagine dying for a reel और उस पे बस 20 लाइक आ रहे हैं।
Also, pistol review, it's working.
खत्म करें?
हेलो।